Hello, Kaffae 300. It's finally there. Ooh, feel like from two to three, like that time flew by. Um, it's December now, and yeah, the whole year was full of filled with coronavirus. It just flew by. I stayed at home mostly, so there's no update about going to events, like meeting with cool people, nothing like that. It was more like a self-contained idea stage and a lot of prototypings. Yeah, time's flying. I started working on Inksprout, so I should change the name, but it's still Kaffa. Anyways, I was yesterday working on BERT. I finally figured it out. So I had a trouble that the predictions were only coming out with 0. That's the majority prediction. So I was trying to figure out if there is a feature that I can extract from the tweet that produce more retweet count or not. That way I can give a feedback to the user if something is more retweet potential or not. And yeah, so I was having trouble because it's 9-to-1 ratio. Like the model was predicting always the 90%, and as long as it outputs zero classification, this is the classification problem. So the model only outputs either 0 or 1, and 1 indicating it's a retweetable text and the other being not. And yeah, as long as the model produces 0, it is 90% of the time correct, which is wrong. And I couldn't figure out, even though I read a lot of GitHub issues and Google. No Stack Overflow came out. So what it turned out was the classic, well-known imbalanced datasets problem. So there are many techniques that people handle it. So like oversampling, undersampling, that's changing the number of datasets so that it's more even between the two. Between 1 and 0. The other is overweighting on the minority cases, small numbers, small chances. So 1 in this case. That's overweighting. And the last I read was about what was it? Overweight, and last one is penalty. So when the model predicts it wrong, when it's false negative on the minority cases, the algorithm, the training, I would say, would punish heavily on those mistakes. The overweight thing is in the TensorFlow tweet tutorial, so it is a known problem. It's just that Googling it will not show up good results. So that tells me there is no much machine learning actually, or people who know machine learning properly. You do need to know a lot of a principle or like a fundamental understanding of how it works, because this is statistic. It's not about bug that you can just look up how to fix. So it's good. I like it. I like the niche area. That means not many people are doing it. So it's good. I like those feelings. Yeah. So that's BERT. It worked quite well. I ran the model through like maybe 10 GPT text I made, and yeah, it was like 2 out of 10 that were retweetable, and the quality was there. I would say they are high quality text that you like properly detected, so it's good. Is there anything else? Well, yeah, that's BERT, so I'm excited. as a bonus, it's super fast to run it. So maybe less than maybe 3 seconds it can finish predicting. So finish with the prediction. So it's amazing. Other than that, there's not that much. Or GPT. So that's another trouble. So I could use the big one, the big model. However, it takes a lot of time to produce the output. It takes almost forever to output properly. It took about 2 hours and 40 minutes to produce 2,000, and that's not even enough. Even though it's extra large, the model still outputs not enough 0.4 USE score or higher, so that's problematic. I need to figure it out. I need to produce at least 4 or 6,000. Maybe it's better to use the small one and filter it more aggressively, because I'm more and more confident with the filtering algorithm. I can use USC, BERT, grammar check, Flare, and they are quite fast, so that's very helpful. That's about it. I would love to build a prototype already about this text generation. It's been quite a long time, so it'd be nice if I can see it in action. Anyway, so that is it. See you. Bye.